Crypto Millionaire 69 coming back at you guys with another in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon, second one of the day. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get straight into the video. Volume is tipping almost to the $14 million mark, up 147% in the last 24 hours. Market cap is at 83 million, up 12%. Around 76 million in the last video a couple hours ago. We've seen a huge spike to the upside, breaking through the previous resistance levels at these 15 and 14 range, completely busting through them. We are currently coming down to test the top of this 15 level now. What we want to see here is some major volume step in, create some major support around this 15 level, and push to the upside. Now, I'm going to draw out a Fibonacci level to explain exactly what the heck is happening in a little bit more detail here, and give all of you visual learners a little more confidence. So, as you can see, we're coming down to test the best level at this 0.236 level. This red line here is the best level of retracement after a breakout that we can see it come back down to and test before pushing higher. We do not want to see it break through this. Now, if it does, we're probably coming all the way back down to these 14s, okay? But let's not speak too soon. After a huge confirmation candle, this green confirmation candle with major volume coming in, that means something is shifting in the markets, as we talked about in the last video. And we're seeing more money inflow into the markets right now. And altcoins are seeing more money inflow. Market cap of the overall crypto market was at 2.76 trillion. Remember? Now it's at 2.81, so we're seeing billions move into the market right now, even though Bitcoin has not moved that much higher since the last video. We're seeing more money move into the altcoins, as we talked about in the last video. Again, I highly suggest you guys join the Patreon for daily alerts, buy and sell alerts, learn what you earn, and private community. It's first link in the description. I will catch you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. You can also email me if you need any personalized questions answered. My email is mycryptomoves@gmail.com, and keep holding for now, I would say. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. But as we're seeing Bitcoin break above these $85,000 levels and hold, we're going to start seeing a lot more money move into all of these different altcoins, including Dogelon. And as we can see, it's still moving higher as we're making this video. It is now just catching support around these 15 levels. So what we want to see from here is it continue to move higher and break through this 1530, and then hopefully overnight we see it break through this 1570, okay? And if you're not in the Patreon, I highly suggest getting in the Patreon and turning on those notifications, so when we do get to the top of this, you can get that alert to where you'll be able to sell and make a profit, and so you can buy back in later at a lower point and turn that portfolio so you're making money instead of just holding and holding and holding and never locking in actual secure liquid profits. Crypto Millionaire 69. I love you guys so much. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hit that like, subscribe button, and share it with a friend that you want to get rich alongside you. Maybe they don't believe in Dogelon. Go ahead and send them this video, because if they don't believe in Dogelon, that's okay, but you at least need to understand the opportunity you're missing if you do not invest in this, right? You're missing a potential 100x, okay, at minimum. And it's crazy. It sounds crazy, but from here at around $100 million market cap, if this hits $1 billion market cap, every single billion is a 10x from here. Okay, keep that in mind. So if we hit 10 billion, that's a 20x. Very, very cool. Very cool stuff. So 100, yeah. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. That's right. Because every 100 million, 200 is 2x, right? So if you put in 1,000 and it hits $1 billion, that's a 10x, which means what's 10 times 1,000? 10,000. If it hits 2 billion, that's 20,000, right? Off of 1,000. And that's the opportunity that people are missing if they do not invest in this coin. In my personal opinion, of course, crypto billionaire opinion, not financial advice. But keep in mind, we have a long ways to go. We have a lot of resistance to break through, but the best part about this is right now are some of the lowest levels we've ever seen. Despite over here, we're seeing a very good buying opportunity at the moment. So keep that in mind. I'm not going to string this video on any longer. Crypto Millionaire 69. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace and have a good night.